Hello viewers, you're welcome to this lecture. Today's lecture is on the class insecta. We are going to be discussing about the grasshoppers. The grasshoppers belong to the domain Eukaryota, and they belong to the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Arthropoda, and they belong to the class Insecta, the order Orthoptera, and they belong to the subclass Silifera and the family Acredidae. They also belong to the subphylum Melanoplania and the genus Melanoplus. Now, these grasshoppers are known to be organisms that cause a lot of problems when it comes to agricultural crops. They are usually pests of agricultural crops, causing a lot of problems by eating their leaves as they feed. Now, the grasshoppers, like other insects, are known to possess the general body plan of the insects, having 3 pairs of legs, 2 pairs of antennae, possess compound eyes, and they are also known to have their body divided into 3 parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Now, the grasshoppers usually exhibit incomplete metamorphosis. They usually exhibit incomplete metamorphosis, and preceding the metamorphosis, eggs are usually laid, and the eggs hatch to miniature adults without wings, and these ones gradually develop wings and become the full adults. So they carry out incomplete metamorphosis. They do not have a pupal stage. Okay, the egg hatches directly into a nymph, and then the nymph eventually grows to become the adult, the nymph, which is a miniature adult. They are very diverse. They are a very diverse group of organisms, and these grasshoppers are known to be terrestrial. They do not have an aquatic stage. They are entirely terrestrial, and the grasshoppers also carry out internal fertilization. Now, I want to look at the internal anatomy of the grasshoppers. Now, the grasshoppers, like other insects, respire with the aid of the trachea. Okay, they respire with the aid of the trachea, and apart from carrying out respiration with the aid of the trachea, they also carry out other forms of physiological activities that are peculiar to the arthropods. The grasshoppers excrete their waste with the aid of amphibian tubules, and they actually also the amphibian tubules of the grasshoppers enable them to excrete uric acid. So the excretory product of the grasshoppers are basically uric acid, and they excrete with the aid of the amphibian tubules. The grasshoppers are known to have separate sexes, and fertilization takes place internally, during which they copulate, and the copulation results in fertilization of the egg, which is laid, and eventually it undergoes the reproductive life cycle. Thanks a lot for watching. I believe you've learned one or two important